This is just food for me. Adulthood is not easy. Hi guys, good morning. And so today I want to do a very unusual vlog. Please don't mind my hair. My hair is just looking very funny. I just woke up and I'm trying to put my room together. I'm just trying to arrange my room so that I can step out. I'm going to shop today. And I want to try something new. So trying to walk around losing weight again is a bit difficult for me now, because I didn't gain this weight from literally eating. I've been having a lot of issues with my hormones and all of that, because people don't really understand what the problem is. Everybody thinks that weight loss is about what you eat and all of that, but what I'm going through right now is a weight loss from stress, weight loss from not sleeping well, and just all of that. So today I've gotten medical feedback and all of that, and I'm going to shop for some things. I'm trying to change my diet too, because there's an advice to change my diet. And so for me, if I have to change my diet, it has to be something interesting. It has to be something I like. And so I spent the whole of this morning, let me show you guys. I spent this morning working on the things I'm going to eat, doing a bit of research. So I have like a full list and breakdown of the things I want to eat and I want to buy. So I'm going to get them now. The funny thing is that I have to go to like 3 or 4 supermarkets to get what I need. I typically shop from Spar, but I know that I can get some fresh fruits at ShopRite. So I want to see if I can do Spar, ShopRite, then I stop by at the market and pick a few things that I couldn't get at the supermarket. So I'm going to take you guys with me on this journey and just show you guys what I was able to purchase. If I have the time, I will show you how I meal prep. If I have the time, I'm not sure. I don't want to promise something I can't do, but you get the view. So I want to have my bath, dress up and step out. It's raining, but that will not stop me because I don't have time to sit in. So let's do this. So the first step is for me to make a list. I always make a list every time I go shopping, because it just helps me to stay in tune and within my budget. I don't want to buy something that I didn't plan for, and to just stay with the meal plan I have on board, I have to follow this list. So let's go shopping. Now I'm dressed and I'm just waiting for my boat to pick me up so that I can go to Spar first, because that's my first place of call. They have more fresh foods and all of that. So I just got to Spar now, picking up my cards, because I'm going to be buying a lot of things. Using a big cart is a lot better. But while I'm in the store, I'm just going to share a few tips that have helped me lose a bit of weight before this meal planning. Going back to the gym is extremely hard for anybody who has not been in the gym for the longest time, and this was what I was facing. So here we have vegetables and all of that, so I was just picking vegetables. I think I got vegetables here, I got okra, I got tomatoes, I got a lot of things here. If you want fresh food, I think Spar does it a lot better. It's a lot better. You have more options and you can just weigh them. And because of the fact that I need to weigh the food I eat, I prefer that they weigh it, so that when I'm making calculations, I'm using what has been weighed and not just making assumptions and all of that. So as I was saying, getting back to gym is always extremely hard. But one of the things that have helped me in the last week to just get back my feel and vibe and all of that is that I start gradually, one day at a time. In short, my first week back at the gym, the only thing I do is just do a bit of small exercises here and there, just run, do a bit of treadmill, join the general class, and just follow my own pace. I don't see people jumping 10 steps and I join them to jump 10 steps. So guys, here they are weighing their items. I just want to carry you guys along this whole shopping experience. So this is where they weigh, and you can see that I put a lot of things. I bought a lot of fruits, I bought a lot of things. This potato, I'm supposed to just eat one, right? And this is 0.81 kg, so it helps me really. So as I was saying, I don't see people dropping 100 steps. I join them to jump 100 steps. No, I take what I can do, follow my own pace, slowly and surely. And that has helped me really, because it didn't put a lot of pressure on me to do so much, and I did more like my 10k to 12k steps on a weekly basis. At this part, I had to get olives. This purchase made me feel like a big girl, because olives, baby girl is buying olives, and I'm buying cheese and all of that. Guess what? I don't know why people rush cheese. I'm not really a fan, but because of the salads I want to do, I need this feta cheese. So I got it, and this one I got, I think it was like 1k, 1,200. So I also went to get yogurt, but I don't know, one of the milks I used to use is not available. There was slim milk I used to use way back, but I couldn't find it, and I don't like the Dano powder milk, so I had to go for the Hollandia. I bought the Hollandia milk instead. I got a bit of tea because I want to stop coffee and all of that. So I'm still shopping. So as I said, when you're getting back to the gym, just follow your pace. I use the first week to just remind myself that I have to be going to the gym every morning, to also make me build consistency in waking up. The next thing I also did was just to slow the pace. I don't put pressure on myself. My goal of weight loss is 3 to 6 months, so I'm not expecting to have a lot of change in 1 month or so. So here I just picked a bit of rice, I picked beans because I need some protein in my diet, and then I got to the cashier to pay, and this is all of my load. So once I got home, I'll show you guys everything I bought and we can talk. Hi guys, so I'm back from the market. I'm going to show you guys all of the things I bought, and guess what? Just tell me in the comment section how much you think all of this actually cost. So let me bring in my shopping bag. So guys, this is all of the things I shopped for today. So the next thing I always do is to unbag them, right? Unbag them. So here I have so I got sunflower oil, I got milk, and this milk is low cholesterol milk, like it's Hollandia skim milk. I've not tried this before. Typically I use another type, but this is it. Then I got this popcorn for when I start having cravings at night. I got turmeric. I've tried to stop using curry now because I got this. We all know what this is, so I don't need to explain. I got some pepper. Then I got some mustard for salad. Then I got dark chocolates. So done with it. Got myself a pack of tissue. Guys, I got olives. So I see them. I got olives. I feel like a big girl buying this olives. And then I got cheese. So I got a feta cheese for my salad. Guys, this is expensive. I don't know how you are eating this thing on a daily. I got that feta fried. This is 1 kg of rice. So I want to see how long it will take me to finish this 1 kg of rice. I'm hoping that I do use this for 2 weeks, 8 servings for 2 weeks. That's my plan. Or 10 servings for 2 weeks. So if I follow what we have here, I'm supposed to eat this 10 times. So I got one pasta for when the road gets rocky. I got thyme, bell peppers, guys. Then see these tomatoes. Guess how much? And pepper. This is for 1 kg. when I tell people that buying in Spar market is a good deal, they think I'm just joking or I'm trying to form big deal. Got some tea. My hand is hurting already. Then because I'm going to do a lot of yogurt and all of that, and I didn't want to buy blueberries, so I got raisins. A lot of them. Got 3 of this. 5. Then I got honey. Trying to eat right. So here I have more of my apples, cucumber. I got potato, more apples, because I have to eat apples like twice a day. I got that, then I bought a lot of carrots. So, what more? Yeah, then I got avocado. I got oranges and lemon. Then here, what do we have here? Oh, I got parsley, ginger, garlic, okra, because I'm going to put onion, and lettuce for my salad. So I'm having salad tomorrow. So got lettuce. Then I got yogurt. I got 1 liter of yogurt. So I got it in 500 ml. This yogurt, I really like it. They are not a popular brand, but I really love their yogurt. So I got 2 of that. I got a lot of cabbage. And so I let her stop by at the market and I got catfish because I'm going to do some cabbage soup. I got extra chicken, like 1 kg of chicken here. So I'm hoping that with this I can prep for the week. With this, there is no buying food outside. Cheap. With this week is covered, and hopefully a part of next week is covered. I'm hoping that this can take for 14 days. It should. Should it? It should. I have some things already. I have oats already. I have here and there stuffs already. So this is what feeding for me looks like. As you can see, I didn't even buy toiletries and all of that because I bought that earlier on. I went for shopping last week, so I got a bit of toiletries and all of that. So this is just food for me. Adulthood is not easy. One of the things I'm praying for is God should help me that I'm able to keep up with this, because I'm taking sweets today, I'm taking ice creams today. Today is my cheat day. After today, we are going hard, or we're going home. So let me start putting this place together. But let me show you guys something. You see, when we talk about plastic waste, I think Spar does not know what is going on in the country, because I don't understand how for all of these things, for every item here, Spar give me a bag. Why? See. So I could do record cooking, but here I have cooked soup. I have made my salad for the next day. I also made pepper soup so that I have something like a whole meal to eat every day, and this is all of it. I'll carry on other activities I'm taking to lose more weight. See you on the next one. Bye.